Benefits of honey, health tips, how to use honey. For hundreds of years, many different cultures have used honey in traditional medicine, but the honey that is used for medicinal purposes is raw and not your conventional pasteurized store-bought honey. A 2017 review on honey and a 2015 review on bee pollen showed that bee pollen and bee propolis can offer anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Raw honey is believed to have more healthy elements in comparison to that of processed honey and comes straight from a beehive. It contains bee propolis and bee pollen and is loaded with antioxidants. Now, do not go raiding beehives just yet. Research has not confirmed if raw honey is better than processed honey. Raw honey is only believed to be better because regular honey undergoes processing and pasteurization, which is thought to diminish some of the natural elements that make the golden liquid so beneficial. So, what honey is considered the best to use? Definitely raw, unfiltered honey. If you are interested in purchasing raw honey, then try a local and trusted producer. Or even better, get yourself some hives and produce your own, but we will cover this at a later stage. 1 tablespoon of honey contains 64 calories and 17 grams of sugar, including glucose, maltose, sucrose, and fructose. Honey contains almost no fiber, fat, or protein, and only trace amounts of several vitamins and minerals, under 1% of the recommended daily intake. Be sure to watch till the end of the video to get the top 6 health benefits of honey and how to use honey correctly. In the meantime, don't forget to click the subscribe button to get more health tips like this. 1. Lower blood pressure. Blood pressure is a trigger point for diseases such as heart disease. High blood pressure may lead to heart disease and stroke. But honey may have the power to step in and lower blood pressure. Many consume raw honey daily and have seen a significant difference in blood pressure levels. Buckwheat honey is used in traditional Russian medicine to help treat high blood pressure. Studies have shown that honey contains a type of carbohydrate called oligosaccharides, which offer an antioxidant effect and contributes to the ability of honey to help lower blood pressure. The sweet liquid also soothes blood vessels, which helps reduce the pressure from the heart. Taking at least 2 tablespoons of honey a day, especially first thing in the morning on an empty stomach, will help relieve high blood pressure. 2. Improve cholesterol levels. High blood pressure may be one trigger for heart disease, but high levels of bad cholesterol or LDL cholesterol are also a strong risk factor. High levels of LDL cholesterol may encourage atherosclerosis, which is a fatty buildup in the arteries that can lead to strokes and heart attacks. Several studies have shown that honey can improve cholesterol levels because it reduces LDL cholesterol and increases HDL good cholesterol levels. But is it that gives honey its beneficial punch against the fight of imbalanced cholesterol levels? Firstly, honey contains no cholesterol content itself, and more importantly, it contains calcium, potassium, and sodium. These minerals help combat bad cholesterol, while the high antioxidant content of honey is excellent for good health and for maintaining good cholesterol in the body. 3. Anti-inflammatory and pain reliever. Honey contains substantial amounts of compounds such as flavonoids and other polyphenols, which help to relieve pain and inflammation. In a recent study, results reported that honey reduced the activities of cyclooxygenase 1 and cyclooxygenase 2, thus showing anti-inflammatory effects. With strong anti-inflammatory properties and the ability to relieve some pain, honey is well suited for those who suffer from arthritis. Arthritis is a disease in which the body's joints are inflamed, and honey has been used in Ayurvedic medicine for years as a remedy for the disease. Manuka honey reduces joint inflammation for those suffering from arthritis and provides a natural form of pain relief too. To prepare, mix 2 tablespoons Manuka honey and 1 teaspoon cinnamon powder into 1 cup of warm green tea. Consume this honey cinnamon drink daily in the morning and evening for relief against pain and inflammation. 4. Urinary tract health. Honey has antibiotic properties because of the enzyme glucose oxidase. This enzyme in honey ensures a constant formation of hydrogen peroxide, a highly potent antiseptic, from sugars found in honey. This makes honey a natural antibiotic for treating urinary tract and bladder infections. Manuka honey has been shown to slow down the speed of bacteria growth that causes UTIs and the formation of biofilms, the thin layers that build up on surfaces and harbor infection. Mix a teaspoon of cinnamon powder and half a teaspoon of honey in lukewarm water to help relieve bladder infections. 5. Improve digestion. Honey has been used for centuries to aid digestive problems such as diarrhea, peptic ulcers, and acid reflux. It is a potent prebiotic, which means that it nourishes the good bacteria in the gut and aids overall digestive health. Honey contains powerful antioxidants and phenols, as well as a host of phytonutrient compounds that help fight against free radicals in the body that cause damage to cells. Reflux may be caused by free radicals that damage the cells lining the digestive tract. Since honey can remove free radicals, acid reflux may be relieved. Honey also reduces inflammation in the esophagus, and its smooth texture coats the mucous membranes of the esophagus to contribute to longer-lasting relief from acid reflux. To treat mild diarrhea, consume a teaspoon of raw honey. A study of 150 children with acute gastroenteritis found that those children who received honey with oral rehydration solution had a higher recovery rate than those who didn't. Remember, honey is not suitable for children under 1 because it may contain a bacterium that can lead to infant botulism. Honey has been proven to be effective against Helicobacter pylori, H. pylori bacteria. This bacterium is a common cause for stomach ulcers. Manuka honey is highly effective against H. pylori because of its strong antimicrobial effects against the bacterium. 6. Immune booster. Honey contains glutathione, an antioxidant that helps fight off infection and strengthen the body's immune system. It also contains vitamin C, which helps boost the immune system and is my go-to when I'm feeling sick. What does this mean for us? Well, honey can be taken to boost the body's immune system and may be especially helpful when you have a cough or cold. Talking about having a cough, honey is a natural cough soother, and research has shown that honey may be as or more effective as certain over-the-counter cough medicines. To relieve cough, take a teaspoon of raw honey and make sure you avoid the other liquids. Flavonoids and polyphenols that are present in honey act as powerful antioxidants that protect the structural integrity of the body's tissues and cells, and have the ability to neutralize free radicals to prevent damage to immune cells. As long as a person is not allergic to bee pollen, then raw honey is generally a safe option and offers no side effects except for those under the age of 1. Honey has antibacterial, antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, antifungal, and antioxidant properties. With so many amazing and natural benefits, how could anyone be anti-honey? Try some raw honey the next time you're shopping for a whole lot of goodness packed in a small bottle. If you found the information helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. And for more tips like these, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.